In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import form questions from Google Sheets. To get started, open the Google Sheets file where your questions are stored. This sheet is acting as the source for the form questions you want to bring into your form builder. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account and that you have permission to view and edit the spreadsheet. If the sheet is view only, the import tools may not run correctly. Once the spreadsheet is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place. Look over the tab names and the visible data so you know you are working with the correct file. Having your question content organized ahead of time helps the import process go smoothly, since the add-on will pull from what is already in the sheet. Next, go to the top menu bar in Google Sheets and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets lists any add-ons that can extend what the spreadsheet can do. If you do not see extensions, make sure you are using the desktop web version of Google Sheets, since some menus may look different in other environments. In the Extensions menu, find and click Form Builder for Google Sheets. This opens the add-on that will handle importing and building your form content based on what is in your spreadsheet. Depending on your browser and settings, the first time you open this add-on, it may take a few seconds to load. You may also be prompted to allow permissions so the add-on can access the spreadsheet. If that happens, follow the prompts and approve access so it can run properly. After the Form Builder add-on opens, click Start. This launches the tool and begins the process of using your spreadsheet data for form building. If a side panel opens, keep it visible since the add-on typically runs and displays options there. Give it a moment to initialize, especially if your spreadsheet is large or your connection is slow. At this point, you have successfully opened the form building tool from within Google Sheets and started it, which is the key setup required to import your form questions from the spreadsheet. And that is all there is to it.